traders, and welcome back to our channel. Are you also new to forex trading and wondering what people mean when they talk about lots? Or maybe you have heard terms like micro lots or standard lots and thought that what are they even talking about? Well, you are at the right place. Today we are going to unravel the mystery of lots in forex trading, making it simple, clear and most importantly useful for you. So let's jump right in. What exactly is a lot? Think of a lot as the unit of measurement in forex trading. Just like we use kilograms for weight and liters for volume, in forex the size of the trade is measured in lots. It's essentially the quantity of currency you are buying or selling in a single trade. Understanding lots is critical because it determines that how much money you are putting on the line and how much you can make or lose with every tiny movement in the market. So let's dive into the different types of lots to see how this works. The types of lots. There are three main types of lots that you will come across. Number one is the standard lot, the biggest box. So to speak this, it is equal to 100,000 units of the base currency. Number two is the mini lots, a smaller box representing 10,000 units. And number three is the micro lot. It's even smaller at 1,000 units of the base currency. So let's start with standard lot. The standard lot is the king of lot sizes. When you trade one standard lot, then you are trading 100,000 units of the base currency in your pair. For instance, in a pair like Great Britain pound to US dollar, buying one standard lot means that you are trading 100,000 British pound. With each price movement, your profit or loss changes significantly. $10 for every pip movement. Trading standard lots can lead to high rewards, but the risks are equally big. So it's mostly suited for experienced traders or those with a larger capital. Next is mini lot. For those who aren't quite ready to jump into the big leagues, we have the mini lot. This represents 10,000 units of the base currency, just 1/10 of the standard lot. In this case, each pip movement changes your profit or loss by $1. It's a perfect middle ground for traders who want decent returns while keeping their risk relatively moderate. Micro lot. Now let's talk about the micro lot. This is where most beginners feel comfortable starting. A micro lot is 1,000 unit of the base currency. Each pip movement in a micro lot translates to just $0.10. So if you are still learning the rope or want to test a new strategy, micro lots are an ideal option since they allow you to trade with minimal exposure to risk. But why lot sizes matter? The size of your lot directly impacts the financial stakes of your trade. Larger lots means bigger swings in your account balance, while smaller lots let you ease into the market with less pressure. So here is a quick breakdown of the pip value for each lot type. Number one, the standard lot. It's $10 per pip. Number two, the mini lot, it's $1 per pip. And number three is the micro lot, $0.10 per pip. Now let's look at an example. Imagine that you are trading the euro to US dollar pair and the price moves from 1.2000 to 1.2010, a movement of 10 pips. If you were trading one standard lot, that movement would earn you $100. With a mini lot, your profit would be $10 and for a micro lot, you'd gain $1. As you can see, the bigger the lot size is, the bigger the reward or risk per pip movement. How to choose the right lot size? Picking the right lot size depends on your risk tolerance, trading experience and capital. If you are a beginner, start small. Micro lots are excellent options. As you gain experience and confidence, you can move up to mini or even standard lots. Always remember, the forex market moves fast, and while larger lots can lead to impressive gains, they can also magnify losses. Manage your risk wisely. Quick recap. A lot determines the size of your trade in forex. Larger lots leads to higher rewards, but also greater risk. Always adjust your lot size based on your strategy and risk tolerance. Final thoughts. Understanding lot sizes is a fundamental step in mastering forex trading. So whether you are just starting or leveling up your trading game, knowing how to choose the right lot size can make a huge difference in your success. If this video helped you understand lots better, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more trading insights. As always, happy trading, and I will see you in the next one.